Hello and welcome to another PCs for Maine instructional video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the maintenance software that comes with each PCs for Maine computer. Over here in the maintenance folder there are shortcuts for the programs that we suggest that you run at least once a week. There's the CCleaner, Spybot Search and Destroy, Avast Antivirus, and Malwarebytes. In this folder there's also a Documents folder that has additional information on each of these programs. If for some reason you don't have this folder on your desktop, you can go over here to the Start menu, left-click, go to All Programs, and in the list you can find each program: Avast Antivirus, Spybot Search and Destroy, Malwarebytes, and the CCleaner. And if for some reason you don't have these programs on your machine anymore, you can go to www.filehippo.com and get their newest versions. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the CCleaner. Over here in the maintenance folder, or again, as I said, down here in the Start menu, you can access the CCleaner through all programs. If you double click on the left mouse button, it opens up the CCleaner interface, and over here at the top where it says Cleaner, this is the part that we want you to run at least once a week. There are some other things over here we'll take a look at in a minute, but the only thing you have to do once a week is come over here to Cleaner, and you can choose to left-click this Analyze button, and it will show you the things that are capable of being removed. Very little at this point because I used the CCleaner earlier today, but you may find a couple hundred megabytes worth of stuff. And when you see that list, unless there's something that pops out to you for some reason that you don't want to remove it, you can uncheck, for instance, your Internet Explorer cookies. If you like to maintain your website cookies, you could choose to remove that with a left click. But in this case, I'm going to keep the system set defaults and go over here to Run Cleaner and give it a left click. And very quickly, just like that, it's done. And that's all you have to do to fulfill the once-a-week maintenance schedule that we like to keep. There are some other tools and things that you can do with the CCleaner over here in the side menu, and there's some options as well. You can get in-depth descriptions for all of this stuff at the online help, which you just left-click down here to get to. As long as you're connected to the internet, you can see that help file. If you have any further questions about what was covered in this video and they're not answered by the help file in the computer software or by going to the manufacturer's website, you can contact us by going to infotechexchange.org.